To begin the head, I will make a slip knot, then chain 4. Join with slip stitch to create a circle, then chain 2. And I will make 12 double crochets. Join with slip stitch to close this first round, and all stitches are 12. I have 12 double crochets. Chain 2 to begin the second round, and I will work 2 double crochets in every stitch. So I have my 24 double crochets, and I will join to the first stitch. Chain 2. For the next round, I will work 1 double crochet in every odd stitch and 2 double crochets in the even stitches. 1 double crochet in the first stitch, then 2 double crochets, I'll finish the round by making 2 double crochets into the last stitch. Then join to the first double crochet, and all stitches for round 3 are 36. I continue with the round 4. So this hat is for newborn size. Now I'll make the hat for the size 12 to 18 months baby girl. Chain 2, yarn over, make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches and into the next one 2 double crochets. Now join with slip stitch. And for the round 4 I have 48 stitches. Next round, chain 2, yarn over, and I work 2 double crochets into the first stitch. Chain 1, then 1 double crochet into the same stitch. I'll skip the next 2 stitches and I will do 2 double crochets, chain 1, then 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and I'll repeat this step. And I'll make the last 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and I'll finish the round by making slip stitch to the first double crochet. And my round 5 is completed. I have 16 groups of 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. Next round will be round 6, chain 2, in every chain 1 space from the previous round I'll work 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. 1, 2, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. And I'll repeat for the next chain 1 space. 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. And again 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. I'll join to the first double crochet to close this round 6, and I'll continue to crochet by repeating the last round 6 more times. I just finished the last round with the yellow color. And I'll crochet the last round using this gray color. Before finishing the last double crochet, I'll take the second color. I'll finish the double crochet with the second color. Then I will join to the first double crochet. And I continue with the last round. So this will be the border round. Chain 1, and in every chain 1 space I'll work 3 double crochets. Then 1 single crochet into the first double crochet from the group of 3 double crochets. Yarn over and 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. If you want to have larger border, instead to make 3 double crochets in every chain 1 space, you can do 4 double crochets. And to finish, make 1 single crochet. I hope you enjoyed making this cotton hat with me. Be sure to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Can't wait to see you in the next one.